Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a notes on Google Keep. So first what you're going to do here is you have to look for Google Keep. If you are not sure if you have installed this application, then you can go to your Google Play Store, look for your Google Play Store, tap this one, go to the search icon, and then this time you have to search for Google Keep. So if you haven't installed this, you need to click install. If you have installed already, just click open or update the application. Now open the application and this is what it looks like. So in order for you to make notes on Google Keep, what you're going to do here is you have to click this plus button. Now you will have your option. If you want to make notes through image by adding image, just click this one right here. And what you're going to do is take photo or choose image. Also, if you want to make note by just drawing something, you just have to simply draw. And then after that, click this arrow. You can add a title and it will be saved automatically. Click the plus button again to make another note. Tap list. Let's just say you have planned to go to supermarket and you want to add some item here to buy, for example, soap, add again shampoo, something like that. Tap this arrow and it will be automatically saved. Last, if you want to create or make notes by adding some text, let's just say you have upcoming seminar and then you can add details here. Tap this arrow and this note will be saved automatically. So that's how easy it is to make notes in Google Keep.